warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected teachers, honorable guests and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ashifa Parveen, a student of Khansa Islamic Academy. Today I would like to speak about the importance of parents in our lives. Parents are the greatest blessing from Allah. They love us unconditionally and make countless sacrifices for our happiness and success from our childhood till today. They care for us, guide us and pray for us. Islam gives a very high status to parents. Allah commands us to be kind, respectful and obedient to them. The pleasure of Allah lies in the pleasure of parents, and serving them is a source of great reward. Our parents teach us values, manners and discipline. They support us in difficult times and stand by us even. In today's busy world, we must never forget our duty towards our parents. A kind word, a gentle smile and a helping hand can bring happiness to their hearts. In conclusion, let's love our parents. Respect them, obey them and pray for them always. May Allah grant our parents good health and long life and forgive those who have passed away. Amin. Thank you. Jazakumullah khairan.
Education that builds better human beings and training that illuminates destinies. Now in your urban area, Bahera, District Darbhanga, the perfect center of modern and religious education, Khansa Islamic Academy. Admission open. Classes nursery to class 8. Education up to class 10th also available.
Here, children are provided with English medium education, CBSE curriculum, strong foundation in Urdu grammar, training in reciting the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation, a balanced and excellent system of religious and worldly education, separate classes for boys, separate classes for girls, special arrangements for girls to become Alima and Hafiza. Hostel facilities available, 24/7 CCTV camera security system under the supervision of experienced and trained teachers. So, if you want a bright future for your children with knowledge and good character, contact Khansa Islamic Academy today. Address: Bahera, District, Darbhanga, Bihar.
Office number 999332 Director 8757959314. Khansa Islamic Academy, the true identity of knowledge, practice and character.